Hi, thanks for coming to unbox this with me. This is the Tondiamo 20 pieces Christmas ball diamond painting keychain kit with tools. Let's see. So I got this off Amazon. I think it was $23. Oh, nope. $31. Okay, so inside, these are the keychains. Oh. Okay. Oops. So I guess it's kind of like this. And then we have the pen, the tray, and the wax. Okay, so I gave one of these, I gave a kit to my student, and he did not know that you have to peel one side. So just so you know, you have to peel one side, or else the wax will not get to the pen. Now inside, let's see. Okay, seems kind of dirty. I wonder if we have to wash these. But Oh, okay. So, oh, you stick on both sides. Oh, okay. So it's matching. So you would stick everything on this side, and then you turn around, peel it, and stick everything on the other side. Oh, okay. So this is 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if there's any that's matching, or if they're all different. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like there's no repeats. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And these are actual rhinestones, not the color dots that most of the kits are. So that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Let's see. We have 1 color, 2 colors, 3 bags of O, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different colors in here. But they're not individual, so I actually bought them thinking that each one would be individually packed, and then you could give, you know, kind of like into a goodie bag. But I guess I will be making all of these. And yeah. These rhinestones are super shiny though. It's really nice. And they look like, the rhinestones look very nice. Like some, I've opened some where they were kind of dusty, but these look really clean. Really good. On second thought, maybe I should try out one of these first. So that's the plastic. And I put all of the rhinestones into little jars, and then I keep the, the letter there so I don't forget. So that first one is T. Whoa, that's very full. sticky. That's really sparkly. Do you see that? Wow. Any more T's? Nope. Next I see some M's. A little bit closer this time. Whoa. Shake it out. See how pretty these are? I'm trying to hold onto the side because the top is very sticky. Oops. Oops. At the beginning, it looked like there would be a lot of like background color, but it seems like the rhinestones are slightly larger than the little white space. So it looks pretty filled out. Looking really nice. And this one, so, oh, there's 3 more. There we are. Next is O. Oh, look what I found. This one's cut like upside down. That's going to the garbage. Next one is A. This one's so sparkly. Oh, I'm missing an M. I'm very confused with this V. V is silver. And V is on top of green and red. So let's just see. Let's just do a bunch of U's first. Just the dark green. Okay, I guess we're doing V. I'm not sure how this will look, but we'll find out. Wow, almost done. I'm not sure how I feel about the silver, but it looks really, really sparkly. This side's done. I'm going to put glue on it, and then I will start this side. So I hope that gives you a really good idea of what this kit is like. This is my own. This one is my own. But I did use this one. It's nice. They work the same. So thank you for spending so much time with me, and I will see you next time. Happy painting!